एनालिटिक एबिलिटी एंड डिजिटल अवेयरनेस ऑब्जेक्टिव आज को पेपर हुआ था, तो इसमें क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे। डेलीगेटेड डिलीटेड ईमेल आर स्टोर्ड इन वेयर, तो इसमें ट्रेस में स्टोर्ड होता है। ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर। एक प्राप्त किए गए ईमेल को दूसरे व्यक्ति के पास भेजने के लिए किस आदेश की आवश्यकता होती है? तो इसके लिए फॉरवर्ड की जरूरत होती है। ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर होगा। व्हिच फीचर ऑफ ईमेल लेट्स यू ऐड योर नेम एंड कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑटोमेटिकली एट द बॉटम ऑफ एवरी मेल? सिग्नेचर। सिग्नेचर इज राइट आंसर। व्हिच फील्ड इंडिकेटेड द सेंडर एड्रेस हु सेंट द मेल? फ्रॉम से पता करता चलता है। ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर। कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस विद द मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस एंड ऑफिस ऑलवेज हैज एन। सम एक्टिविटीज आर डूइंग allow to authority. Authority is right answer. Which of the following is not an example of a popular web browser? Acrobat Reader is not a browser. Option C right answer. ब्राउजर में गुप्त मोड का उपयोग किसके लिए किया जाता है? इन ब्राउजर सीक्रेट मोड इज यूज्ड टू फॉर व्हिच? पर्सनल ब्राउजिंग। ऑप्शन बी राइट आंसर। इन व्हिच द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए काइंड ऑफ ब्राउजर? फेसबुक इज ए सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, इज ए नॉट ब्राउजर। व्हिच शो ऑल द वेबसाइट एंड पेजेस व्हिच हैव ऑलरेडी बीन सीन? हिस्ट्री। ऑप्शन ए राइट आंसर। व्हाट इज ब्राउजर? सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच मेक अवेलेबल टू सी वेब पेज ऑन ईमेल। सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच मेक अवेलेबल टू सी वेब पेज ऑन ईमेल। ऑप्शन सी राइट आंसर। A good quality professional letter has 4 good segments. What are those? Title, start, main, content, and end. Option C right answer. For legitimate decision model, which one is not correct? Help information. Option B right answer. A social media influencer copy some other created video without permission will violate which one of these copyright claim? What is phishing in a computer? A kind of cyber crime. Option A right answer. Large file fast distribution several students by which systems? Content delivery network through cloud storage. Option B right answer. Which one is universal known as antivirus? Bitdefender. Option D is right answer. In cybersecurity, firewall purpose is what? To check unauthorized content on network. Option B is right answer. Which of the following do cyber attackers commonly target for fetching IP address of a target victim users websites? Option C is right answer. Which of the following is a kind of cyber attack in which they use to fetch the sensitive information from the client? SQL injection attack. What will become in the place of X in this? 1208. Option A right answer. Mohan walks 10 meter towards north and then turn left and walks 10 meter and then turn right and walk 10 meter. No, his face will be which direction? North. Option A right answer. If A equal to 2, B equal to 4, C equal to 6, Z equal to 15, then what will be the value of math? 84. How many triangles are present in this shape? 32 is. In the following 4 words, 3 are somehow related to each other. Find on the order. Optical reader is different. Option D is right answer. Write the correct match of the pair in the question marks. Tuberculosis, lungs, typhoid, intestine. Disease is grown by bacteria. Ashok was born on 10th March 2022 and he is very wise child. He know all English alphabet and also know the counting up to 25. Which statement is correct? Child for casual interaction with headmaster. Did not put his name in the selection list. Not selected due to overage. None of these. Option A is right answer. Option for the metal not closely related to. Aluminium is different. A means divide symbol, B means multiplication, C means addition, D means subtraction. Find out the question mark है तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा 273 is the right answer. Option A. Which one is a software who accept the request from client HTTP and react to HTTP? Option B is right answer. A browser. Which one is the example of the common web browsers? Is not a web browser. Acrobat reader. What is Google Chrome? Google Chrome is a browser. Google Chrome is a browser. Option A is right answer. Which one is not a browser? Android is a not browser. Which show the seen website and web page history? Option A is right answer. In 1981, who discovered www? Tim Berners-Lee. Which one is not a web browser? www, World Wide Web. What is Microsoft Word software? ए वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग प्रोग्राम होता है. ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय होम? चार्ल्स सिमोनी. व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ एमएस वर्ड? टेस्ट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन डाटा इन एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड टेम्पलेट्स. ऑप्शन डी इज राइट आंसर. व्हिच वन इज द ट्रेडिशनल वेब बेस्ड सर्च इंजन? गूगल इज ए सर्च इंजन. Bing, Android, Yahoo, अदर वेब ब्राउजर एंड फंक्शन सॉफ्टवेयर हैं. 1 byte इज इक्वल टू 8 bits. ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर. इन ए कंप्यूटर which one is there? A central processing unit, memory, input and output device, all of these. Option D is right answer. Which one of the following does not represent the working efficiency of a computer? Prepare data. Computer itself do not prepare data. USB stand for Universal Serial Bus. Option C is right answer. Amar, Umar and Akbar total age is 80 years. 3 years before the total age of all of the three will be 71 years. Option A is right answer. An institution organized in which 1/5 girls and 1/8 boys participated. How much percentage of each girl is from total students? Data not sufficient. Insufficient data. Option C is right answer. Apple cost is ₹7 per apple and mango cost 5 per mango. A person spent 38 to purchase some these fruits. Find out the number of apple he got. 4. In a telephone dial knows what will be the multiple of all the numbers. None of these. Option D is right answer. A is 3 years older than B. 3 years less than the oil B and D twins. Find out the how much C is older. Option C is right answer 6. 12-year-old Mohan is 3 times older. His brother Rahul Manik age is 2 times higher than Rahul. What will be the age of Manik? 16 years. Option B is right answer. A father age 3 years higher than his son. 5 years before his age was 4 times higher than his son. What is the age of his son? 15 years. If we write the number from 1 to 100, then how many times you write 3? 20 times. Option C is right answer. If 100 cats kill 100 rats in 100 days, then 4 cats kill 4 rats in how many days? 4 days. Option B is right answer. A farmer did fencing a square field by 27 wooden poles in both the side of a square field. How many poles he needed more for? 104. A was showing 7 seconds to reach up 7 o'clock. Then how much time is required to 10 o'clock? 10 seconds. In a group cow and hens, the number of legs is 2 times higher with that 14 higher than the number of heads. Find out the number of cows. Option A is right answer. A number has 2 digits having to total 11 and 27 added to in this number. Then the number change its place. Find the number. 47. Option B is right answer. Who discovered computer? Charles Babbage. Operating system used in which generation of the computer? Second generation. Another name of the personal computer is private computer. Latest development of a portable computer equipped with all especially is what? Tablet PC. Option is a right answer. What is a Microsoft Excel? A spreadsheet application. Option D is right answer. MS Excel was discovered by which persons? Bill Gates. From Excel workbook, what is the default file extension? XLXSX. Option A is right answer. In Excel, what is the purpose of filter facility? To show only those data which is legitimate. Option C is right answer. How you do you start formula in Excel? Type equal. Option D is right answer. What is Excel cell? To enter data in worksheet with a personal box. Option D is right answer. What is Excel worksheet? A single sheet in a Excel workbook. Option B is right answer. What is Excel graph? A representation of physical data. Option C is right answer. What is Excel data table? For data analysis and counting bit protected category. Option D is right answer. To save Excel workbook, which shortcut key use? Control plus save. CTRL plus yes. Where is Excel solver? Formula tab. Option C is right answer. Which character of the following show a emotional and wise leader of high level? Understand his and other emotions. Option B is right answer. To identify the character of a manager who is unable to take quick decisions. Undecisive. The present market when profitable despite this inter new market is the example of opportunity decisions. Option A is right answer. Application form and biodata to work which of the following same works. Option A is right answer. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can be replaced the question marks. Number series. इसका स्क्वायर हो रहा है, इसका क्यूब हो रहा है, यानी यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 8 की क्यूब इक्वल टू इतना हो जाएगा. तो ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर. 5 on 2. In this sentence select the appropriate word. An office has always one. House, car, kitchen. Right. ठीक है. In a battleground which is the always present. Soldier. Option D is right answer. In a school there is always available hot. Teacher. In this sentence, the most important word can be filled the gap. A shirt has always cloth. Fill the appropriate word in this sentence. A king has always country state. Option B is right answer. Identify the most appropriate option in this sentence. A tree must have root. What will be the right answer in the send backward? Beneath a layer. Option A is right answer. What is the meaning of a software in a computer? Programming and applications. Option C is right answer. Hub is a network device. Who discovered the Java programming language? James Gosling. Which one is the software applications? Graphic software. Option D is right answer. Which one the fast cheating work to get a card number, personal identity and account handling along with password and password person name? Phishing. In dashed DSD, what does S stand for rich? In the following which one is an antivirus software? Norton. A program which converts hardware occupied to software interface. What does it? All of these. Which one is not a system software? Operating system. The second part of an email address is known as host name or what? Domain name. Option D is right answer. What does email client inbox serve as? Receive and store incoming emails. Option D is right answer. Which option help you to save an unfinished email without sending it? Save as dropped. Which one of the following icon is used to add an attachment is an email? Paperclip icon. Option B is right answer. Which of the following is mandatory for sending an email? Sender mail ID. Which allow user to send a file with emails attachment? Last question, what is included? An email address, user's name followed by domain name.